Hi everybody, here's a look at our finished product for our puppy. It's a dog pool ramp, helps them get in and out of the water on their own and safe, something to grip on, lets the water flow through. And here's our swimmer to be, about ready to try it out. But we're going to show you how to build it, what it costs, and just how simple it is. You need some T's, some elbows, and some PVC. We've got 3 5-foot pieces, 3 pool noodles, and the 3-foot by 3-foot rubber mat. We got that at Lowe's. It was the most expensive part at 25 bucks. And I simply cut off a foot of it, so it will be a 2-foot wide by 3-foot long ramp. And to assemble it, basically cut some PVC pipes to fit across and the length of it, as you see here. Put on your corners, dry assemble it before you glue it if you're going to glue. So I made sure everything was going to fit in length and width and had a T added going across to it. And then we make cuts into the pool noodle so there's room for the zip ties, as you can see right there. Zip ties can then go against the PVC pipe and through the hole in the rubber mat. And we chose that so we could basically spray it off, keep it clean. You could build something out of plywood and carpet or something like that, but this is totally pool safe and easy to rinse off, hang up, and let it dry out. Should last a long time. We use green noodles across the middle and the bottom there, leaving a foot to hang over so it will go into the water for the dog to get a hold of. And you can change out the size of the noodles however you need to, depending on the weight of your dog. Of course, ours is 3.5 pounds, 9 weeks old. There's a shot of it in the water there. As you can see, it's allowing them to get a grip, pull themselves out. And I've got a test rope on it right there. I'm going to get something a little bit more secure. And here we go. She's been in a little bit of a wading water before, but this is the first time in the water all the way in. Mom's helping her out, making sure she's safe, getting her used to it, knowing that she can put her feet up on there and climb out on her own. No problem. So that's all there is to it. We hope you liked our video. Have a great day.